ask for the feedback or suggestions from all the participants, if any. Please do share it.
I would like to share my feedback over here. So this is a new type of platform, and I haven't heard about this till today morning, and this was absolutely new. And as being an Indian, my ultimate aim is to make each and everyone responsible for this nation. And I think this platform would take this further and make this happen uh, from this side. So even when I speak in a lot of conferences and a lot of places, I see a lot of people, more than hundreds and thousands. So I just want everybody to, at least not all those thousand, but at least to 10 or 20, to look into their nation's past and do something for their nation valuable. And I think this platform would help me to do that, or they would be taking this to a better place. And this was really good, and I would thank everybody for organizing this event. Thank you.
Yes, Sudarshan. Thank you very much for your valuable comments. I really appreciate it. Yeah, we will, with everyone's cooperation, and as I told, it's a teamwork, and we will try to do our level best. Actually, we are trying to partner with some companies in India where we can do some good service to the nation as well. As such, in Singapore, we are doing already. Yeah, thank you. So any other feedback from anyone, please feel free to, tell so that we'll be able to improve and yeah. Yes, Ashwini, anything from your side?
Just wanted to thank you for the wonderful opportunity. It's like a very great talent show from home. So even kids were able to participate from their end, from their own home, and it's not an easy job to organize such a thing. So thank you so much for the opportunity and such a wonderful job.
Thank you so much. And I would really like to thank Solai, who has, volunteered and put in a lot of effort since yesterday he was working for it. Yeah, thank you.
Nabu ma'am, Sudarshan here. I wanted to say a big round of thanks to you. I think in spite of the lockdown and various other challenges, right, you have still made it possible for so many people to connect and for young kids to be a great platform. So we appreciate the infectious, I would say, enthusiasm with which all of you work. Hiranya, Solai, you, I think it comes from you. So thanks a lot. Thanks.
Oh, anyhow, thank you so much, sir. It's all, the enthusiasm, everything because of the motivation and the encouragement, the support, basically. Since you're all there to support us, we are able to do, and still we will do well. And by the way, before we end the session, I would like to have a few words with Mrs. Usha from Singapore. Yes, Usha, please feel free to tell, because, she has been judging all the entries, lots and lots, for 300, 400 entries every year in Singapore, Not only Usha, there were many judges. We used to conduct this competition in Singapore for 2 days fully. It used to go on for 2 days, and tireless, selfless efforts by all our judges. We used to have around 10 judges or 12 judges, like that they used to do, and now Usha has done for India as well. So Usha, please share your experience, how it was like. Yeah.
Thank you, Nagu. Nagu has been a great inspiration for all of us, always wanting to encourage young talents, and she will see to it that no child goes with a sad face. Every child will be encouraged, and all facilities she will arrange for the competition. And she's been doing this service for more than almost 6+ years now. And her qualification and she's very much talented in the software side also. And with that, and she's a very good orator. She talks very well in Tamil, and I like her accent and everything. So now she's in Singapore. She's been doing this for so many years, and now she's taking that to throughout the world, and she's encouraging lot of young talents as well. And I had a very good experience judging the children. A lot of great talents I could see, and all the kirtana is chosen and all, no, and the songs, the film songs or whatever, semi-classical, whatever it is. The children, they have chosen very good songs, and they have exhibited all their talents, alapanai, swaram, everything. It's almost like a mini concert, I should say. And I had a very good experience judging all of them, and we would love to give prize to all of them, but as we have a minimum criteria, then we chose the best. But now see the talent, everybody had the platform to exhibit their talent. Now today I thoroughly enjoyed all the songs and dance sequences. And now in this lockdown period, it's a treat to arise from home. So I encourage all the kids to participate whenever you get a call like this, and especially Nagu, she's always in love with children and want to promote their talents. Thank you so much, Nagu, for giving me this opportunity, and Hiranya as well. She's a wonderful singer, and now in spite of her academic pressure, she's taken up this, and she's also contributing a lot. Thank you so much. I'm very proud to be a part of this family. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Usha. It's so nice. Thanks a lot. Yeah. And by the way, Madam Neela, it would be nice if you can also say a few words, because you have also been supporting, for this music competition. So just before we end, we would like to hear from you as well.
Everybody, I am very happy to see such a well-organized platform for all the young artists. This is really a very good opportunity for everybody during this lockdown season. And Mrs. Nagu and Hiranya, you are taking so much efforts and interest in encouraging all the children, dance and music and oratorical experts and other items, everything. எல்லா டேலண்ட்ஸும் குழந்தைகளோட நல்ல எக்ஸிபிட் பண்றதுக்கு யூ ஆர் கிவிங் அ வெரி குட் பிளாட்ஃபார்ம் ஃபார் த சில்ட்ரன். உங்களுடைய சர்வீஸ் இன்னும் மேலும் மேலும் நிறைய வளர்ச்சி அடையணும், நிறைய வளரணும். நீங்க இன்னும் இந்த மாதிரியான இந்த கலை தொண்டுகள் நிறைய செய்யணும். எங்களால முடிஞ்ச எல்லா சப்போர்ட்டும் we will definitely extend to you, whatever form you like it. So that much assurance we are giving. Thank you so much. Okay.
Thank you, madam. It's so nice of you. Thanks a lot. And one more thing I would like to tell before we finish it off. Actually, we are charging very, very minimum. The reason for charging this is எங்களுக்கு இந்த வெப்சைட் எக்ஸ்பென்ஸ் எல்லாமே இருக்குதுல. ஸோ நாங்கள் வெப்சைட்டுக்கு we அதுக்கு ஸ்பேஸ், அதுக்கப்புறம் அது வாங்குறது and all these things, அந்த சர்வருக்கு இதுக்கெல்லாம் we really need funds. Like that's the main reason we charge people. I hope you understand this. And anyhow, thank you very much. So next you can expect few more, and we are trying to take it to the next level. Next will be interview level for the members. So if anyone is interested in taking membership, you can feel free to let us know. Anyhow, thank you very much, and looking forward for your support once again. And Soleil, you can finish it off officially with vote of thanks.
I would like to start my vote of thanks with the honorable founder of Arts of Singapore, Mrs. Nagamai Suresh, respectable special guest, my Guru Dr. M.S. Sarala Madam, Mrs. Usha Ma'am, a legendary singer, and Mrs. Neela Dakshi Ma'am, and to all the participants. It's my privilege to have been asked to propose a vote of thanks on this occasion. I, on behalf of Arts of Singapore team, extend a very hearty vote of thanks to all the honorable participants and the guests for giving their valuable time in this. Thank you once again.
Thank you, Nagu. Thank you, children.
Thank you very much. Okay, let's meet in the next event soon. Thank you. Bye.